All right, guys, we are back again to sort these objects, but this time in a different way. So let's look at my chart, and I have decided to sort my objects by size. So I'm going to group the items that are longer than a pencil together, and I'm going to make a group of items that are shorter than a pencil. So I'm going to have two groups, a longer than a pencil group and a shorter than a pencil group, right? And then after I'm done sorting, I'm going to write down what I notice. Remember that you can sort yours by size too, or you can think of any other way to sort your items. It's completely up to you. Right, so let's start sorting my items. So I'm going to start with my book. I think the book is going to be longer than a pencil. Let's see. Right, yep, my book is longer than a pencil, so I'm going to put it there. Let's try the marker. Oh, surprisingly, my marker is shorter than a pencil. So I'm going to make a separate group for the marker because it's shorter than a pencil. Now let's try the chapstick. Of course, the chapstick is shorter than a pencil. Let's try the bubble wand. I think you guys will be able to guess. The bubble wand is much longer than that pencil, right? So I'm going to put it in that group. Now let's try my tins rod. My tins rod is shorter than a pencil. Let's try Candyland Man. Candyland Man is shorter than a pencil, so that's my group of shorter. This is my group of longer. Let's look at the balloon. We have to make sure we lay it out flat. My balloon is shorter than a pencil, so it goes in that group. What about the tape? The tape is shorter than a pencil, so it will go in that group. Let's try the trophy. The trophy is just a little bit longer than the pencil, so I'm going to put the trophy over here. And last but not least, let's try the hole punch. Hole punch is shorter than a pencil. So now that I've sorted my items that are longer than my pencil and sorted my items that are shorter than my pencil, I am going to see what I notice. And right off the bat, it's really easy to notice that I have more short items than long items. So I'm going to go ahead and write that on my chart. So I'm going to write more items are shorter than a pencil. Okay, and then I can also write that I have fewer items longer than a pencil. And then if I want to be specific, I can even count my items. Let's count how many items are shorter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right here I'm going to write that I have 7 items that are shorter. And then over here I have 1, 2, 3 items that are longer. So I'm also going to write that on my observation. So that way I know that I have 10 items all together, but only 3 are longer than a pencil and 7 are shorter than a pencil. So what you are going to do is you're going to think of another way to sort these items, the same items that you sorted before. We want to make sure that we're using the exact same items. You're going to tell me how you sorted the items, and then you're going to tell me what you notice. After that, in the next activities, you are going to think of 2 more ways to sort your items. You're going to tell me how you sorted them, and then you're going to tell me what you noticed. Remember, you can totally sort them by color, you can sort them by size, or you can think of other ways to sort your items. You could even decide to sort them from longest to shortest, or you could think of the weight. You could have heavy items and then lighter items. So you can decide any way that you want to sort your items. Just thought of another way. If the item is flexible, if it bends without breaking, you can sort by flexibility. So that would be really easy because I have 2 very flexible items, right? So you think of any way that you want to sort your items and just make sure that you fill it in on your chart. Okay, let us know if you need any help, and I hope you have fun sorting this matter based on properties.